I entered Tara's house and there is reaction.
Ew.
Hold this. Go inside. Put it on your face. How's your haircut? Oh yeah, it's the same.
I thought I was having a bad hair day.
The person you have called is speaking to someone else.
तो oh god, it's 9:13 AM. मैं बहुत जल्दी उठ गया हूँ आजकल के स्टैंडर्ड से. मैं यूजुअली 10-10:30 बजे उठता हूँ आजकल, जो अच्छी बात नहीं है बिल्कुल, बट हाँ. तो आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं 8:30 उठ गया. तो हो जाए शुरू बहुत जल्दी. It's 9:46. अभी टाइम हो रहा है 9:47. 11:30 तक मुझे वसंत कुंज पहुंचना था और जाने में एटलीस्ट आधा घंटा लगता है. मैं रास्ते में ब्रेकफास्ट खाना है, अभी मुझे नहाना है, तैयार होना है और ट्रैवल करना है. तो हाफ एन आवर और मुझे वर्कआउट भी करने का बहुत मन है. तो जल्दी से थोड़ा सा स्क्वीज इन करने की कोशिश करने वाला हूँ. ज़्यादा नहीं, वेट नहीं करने वाला आज.
पागल है तू?
मैं डर गया.
डर गए? What you saw was basically what I do every morning. I'm gonna go to Shikhar. हम 10-15 मिनट का कुछ लेग वर्कआउट करने वाले हैं. बट जो मैंने आज सुबह लिखा था अनिल को, let's do some experiments, there's actually a story behind it. And that starts with me being a kid who was bullied a lot, who was super insecure. I still have and had big ears back then. And my name was like Bhalla. So I was basically like, I was teased a lot and stuff, and I used to be super insecure. So today I want to tell you guys a little bit about my insecurities and how that changed. But basically when I was a kid, I used to always think I wasn't good enough, and I was always trying to prove myself to people. So a lot of the things I did, Shekhar, was based on the validation of other people, कि दूसरे लोग क्या सोचेंगे. तो आज मैं जो करने जा रहा हूँ, अगर मेरा वही माइंडसेट होता पहले जैसा, I would never be able to do it. हाँ भाई. Shekhar.
It's not even funny. It's seriously not funny. Like they're telling me not to get you over anymore. At all.
I'm recording this on the phone.
Dude, people are corona, you know.
Hello. As a kid, you knew me as a kid. Would you say I was insecure about some things?
No, you're just hyper.
Oh, you don't think I was insecure about my...
Oh, ears?
Yeah.
Maybe little.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Anyway, quick workout montage, and then we'll get back to the story.
I have 4 pet squirrels.
Interesting.
I put bread over here. I have 4 squirrels and 10 birds, and then they fight, and that's pretty awesome.
And the younger brother.
I mean, yeah, but he doesn't fight for the bread.
Guys, Shikhar's password is 7. As many times as you can type it. gonna go. Great workout, my friend. You must be strong. Maybe late ho gaya. Hi, bye, doggy. I've reached Anil Bhai. So what was I saying? So, give me a minute. Hold on. So, as I was saying, I was insecure and I cared about what other people thought more than like actually taking care of myself. I used to trump perception in the eyes of others than actually choosing practicality for myself. And yeah, that was a huge inconvenience in my life. But eventually, as I grew up, those things started to change a bit for me. I started realizing this pattern for myself, especially in India, just because of how much we're compared as children to other people's children. Like, oh, uske bete ko dekho, wo kaisa kar raha hai, oh, uske marks kitne achhe hain, oh, why aren't you good enough, good enough, good enough, basically gets fed in our brains. And I feel like India as a society, there's a large percentage of people over here, they're not as independent of their own decisions because of them caring about what other people think. Some of you that have been watching the vlog might be knowing about Anil. This man has, like I mentioned, ears was a big insecurity. So for that, I used to keep my hair long. And I used to think that it would cover my ears and this and that. And he was the only man that was able to give me confidence in, you know, going short with my hair because, like, he made it look good. And I realized, like, yeah, it does look good and it's stupid to be insecure about such stuff. And I think I first met Anil in 2011. And I've ever since just been going to him, man, except when I was in Bombay. And today, more than like that kind of relationship, he's like a really good friend and we hang out all the time. So I'm excited to see him. You're late, bro. I'm sorry. I'm late. He got a sick place. Eventually, when he leaves Delhi, I have a plan to take it from him. Shy हो आप? कुछ life lessons बताओ लोगों को. कुछ advice दो.
I think people should stay groomed.
At both places. हम 3 haircut करने वाले हैं just to fuck around. Haircut number 1 is gonna be something like this. अब गुस्सा हो गया मेरे पे. रहने दे ऐसे तेरे नाम टाइप haircut.
गजनी वाला करते हैं.
गजनी वाला क्या गंजा ही है ना वो?
उसमें से कट लगे ना.
I don't know about that, Anil. Maybe next time. Satanic type. Okay. This is not a good idea. The idea is कि ये बाल समझ में प्रैक्टिकल है. पैसे बचते हैं, तुम्हें शैम्पू नहीं करना पड़ता. टाइम बचता है क्योंकि तुम्हें शैम्पू नहीं करना पड़ता. और टाइम बचता है क्योंकि तुम्हें बाल भी नहीं सेट वेट करने पड़ते. बाल सूखने भी नहीं होते, सूख ही जाते, मतलब तुम ऐसे करते तो. एंड पैसे फिर से बचते हैं क्योंकि तुम्हें बाल बहुत टाइम तक नहीं कटवाने पड़ते. सो दिस इज प्रैक्टिकलिटी एंड इट लुक्स गुड, राइट अनिल?
Right, but you need just a confidence. This confidence you can keep this kind of hair.
ये नहीं रख रहा, मैं मजाक कर रहा था.
Like shorter length.
हाँ, shorter length, yeah. बट एक बार सीरियसली ऐसे एक्चुअली ऐसे चले जाओ आज, ये 2-4 ऐसे छोड़ दो, एक यहाँ. सो नो किडिंग, द प्लान वाज कि हम ये 2-3 ऐसे हेयर कट करेंगे फनी वाले, और फिर वो मुझे प्रॉपर लाइक ऐसे कट दे देंगे
बस कर.
और मैं चले जाऊंगा. बट ये ना हमें पसंद आ रहा है, थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. सी ना मुझे एक तो पॉइंट खुद के लिए है कि मुझे हमेशा से ऐसे रखने थे एक बार, लाइक मस्ती के लिए बस.
तो मैं बोल तो रहा हूँ, दिस इज द टाइम.
मैं मन तो है ऐसे छोड़ने का. आई जस्ट नीड समवन टू डेयर मी टू डू इट. कॉइन टॉस करते हैं.
हाँ ऐसा करते हैं.
हाँ ठीक है, लाओ.
लेके आओ coin?
हाँ कॉइन ले आओ. कॉइन ज़्यादा नहीं आ गए, और ये वाला कॉइन ना, दिस फील्स राइट.
चलो ठीक.
हेड्स इज हेड पे रहेगा, टेल्स इज कट जाएगा. ठीक है. हेड इज हेड
क्या
पे
हुआ?
रहेगा, टेल
क्या
इज,
हुआ?
ओह माय गॉड.
Oh seriously.
It's head.
Oh my
It's head.
goodness.
It's head. It's head. It's head. It's head.
So Parth, now tell me.
कुछ नहीं, I'm gonna do it. I always wanted to.
Guys,
I'm getting the looks wherever I go. Time for reactions.
भाई ऐसे ही जाना without cab, okay?
हाँ, without. But the point of this is कि like पहले ना मुझे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है कि लोग कैसे दिखते हैं वगैरह. मुझे अभी मुझे अपने में इतना लाइक, इसलिए मैं जानता हूँ मैं कौन हूँ ना, तो मैं कैसा भी हेयर कट करवा लूँ, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है कि लोग क्या सोचे. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट लाइक आई नो आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर
और
फन.
वो चीज़ आपके लिए फन है.
हाँ.
तो लोग सोचेंगे वो चीज़. राइट.
सी यू ब्रो, थैंक यू.
आपको आना है दोबारा, ठीक है?
हाँ, ऑलराइट.
We'll do it
Yeah,
here only.
100%. See you. Bye and I love you.
I thought I was having a bad headache. Papa's there.
Really?
This is gonna be fun.
Hi.
Oh good God. Oh,
This is that big.
I have oil in my hair. That's okay. At least I have it. Yeah, he has hair. I'm very about that.
It's supposed to be a surprise.
Goodness gracious. No. Can I cut it?
No.
What do you mean no?
I got it cut right now. And you're saying you.
Disgusting.
See, it's about knowing yourself. This is who I am. I don't need your validation, okay? It looks nice. I don't know what you're talking about. Haven't you seen those people in the circus? It feels like you're like internally dealing with something. New haircut.
What?